Hello friends, I am Arka once again and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will share with you one very important aspect of touring. It's about a helmet with wireless communication system. It is a Bluetooth enabled helmet. This helmet is from Greenstone. So I have purchased these from Best Adda at 11,500 only. So now, without wasting any more time, let's go and see the unboxing. So here is the box in black color. The box itself is looking extremely cool, and you can see this is the logo of Greenstone, and Greenstone is written here along with Bluetooth helmets. In another side, what we get a logo of helmet, and this is call function, this is music function, and this is Bluetooth function. So all the main features of this helmet is mentioned on the box in form of logo. After that, once again, we are getting the Greenstone logo and then something written like Greenstone Bluetooth helmet, same as another side. And here is some information of the manufacturer, that is Greenstone, and they are from Lucknow. Okay, so Greenstone, they are based at Lucknow. So now I will open this box too and we'll see what is inside this box. So this is the helmet. You can see this is a very gorgeous color. It comes in white background, and along with that some red painting, some black painting, and the name of the company, that is Greenstone. Here in this orange panel there are the left hand side indicator, here it is right hand side indicator, and in this red panel there is the brake light or the stop light, and the name of company once again, and the logo. And here is this, I think this is the power light, and this is Bluetooth light cum charging light. What are the features of this helmet and what makes this helmet stand apart from the other helmet? So if you compare its design, its looks, it's completely international standard. This is something it will make this helmet stand apart. You can see the look is completely different. It's not like any Indian brands, I can tell you. And second thing is that the air ventilation system is very good in this helmet. I will show you the ventilators. In front you can see the air ducts. There are some holes. This is beneficial when you are riding this helmet and air is coming from your front side, and you can just turn it off like this during winter ride, so no cold air will go inside. And this is not all, here are two different air vents also, like this. You can see there is some mesh type thing is there, some net or something like that, and another one is here also. So once you are opening this front duct and the top ducts, then the air ventilation will be very good in this helmet. And for outlet of air, there are dedicated ducts like this, you can see. So these ducts are not openable and closable, they are by default there, but you don't need to worry about these ducts because they will be useful while air is coming from front and top, and then they will go from back side, so the temperature of your head will be maintained properly. So now another feature is that this helmet comes with dual visor. One is this front transparent visor and another one is this sun visor. So sun visor can be closed like this and it can be opened like this. So sun visor is extremely useful when you are riding for a long distance under scorching heat. So this will give your eyes a protection against the UV light and the strong sunlight during daytime. Apart from that, what else we are getting? The main feature of this helmet is this is Bluetooth enabled, Bluetooth 5, and you can connect 2 mobile phones with this helmet. Now if there is Bluetooth, there must be some switches to control the functionality. Switch number 1, it is useful for opening or activating Google voice assistance or voice command. You can receive phone call, you can reject phone call, you can disconnect phone call with a single tap of this button. Once you are in music playback mode or music player mode, if you single press this button, it will pause the current running song. If you once again single press it, it will resume the current running song and it will become in play mode. If you quickly double tap this like this, then it will redial your last number. If you long press this second button, then the volume will be decreased, and if you single press the second button, then your music player will bring you to the previous track. If you long press the third button, then your volume will be increased, and if you single press this button, then you will go to the next song in the current music player. So this is all the functionalities of these 3 buttons, but buttons are not finished yet and the functionalities are not finished yet. There are 2 buttons on this side also. So you can see here one symbol of headphone and another one is speaker. So you can guess that by pressing this button once, you can activate both your speaker. Then pressing once, it will deactivate one speaker, that is right hand side speaker, and activate the left hand speaker only. And if you press once again in the third press, it will activate the loudspeaker mode. Means you can play any song in loudspeaker mode, and you can place this helmet in the middle of table and you can enjoy the sound without wearing the helmet. And another button is this, and it is called indicator activation button. So as I told you, this helmet comes with indicator and stop light integrated. So to activate it, you need to press it once. So it is now in active mode. Now in order to deactivate it, you need to again press once. So this time the light will be glowing for a very small time, and then the indicator system will be deactive. Now coming to the padding. So first I will tell you, this helmet comes with this chin guard. So it will help you to create a vacuum when you wear this helmet. So you will be completely windproof and soundproof while riding. So this will give you a better sound quality while talking and riding at the same time. And you can see the thickness of these padding. They are extremely good. You can see the padding inside. They are also quite soft. There is one air ventilation pocket, another one is here. So you can see that light is coming from here only. So these 2 ventilations are used for exhaling the air inside and thus cool down your head. And these 2 chin pads, they are removable and they are washable. And I think this is a reflective material, something reflective. So once you wear this helmet, it will glow if any light comes from behind. So this is all about this helmet. In my next video, I will show you how these indicators or the turn signals and this top light works. So for that, you need to wait. Stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to subscribe. And please tap the notification icon or the bell icon to be notified once I upload the next video on this. Thank you for watching.